Today, we're diving into a paper that solved a huge, baffling mystery in AI. Okay, so AI researchers faced this exact problem. Everyone just assumed deeper is better, right? You see, in neural networks, more layers means they can learn much more complex stuff, like recognizing images. This strange puzzle, the degradation problem, became a real roadblock for building more powerful AI. Just look at this. The super deep 56-layer network actually messed up more than the shallower one. And this wasn't overfitting. It was a true paradox. A deeper model should, at the very least, do just as well. The big idea was to completely flip the problem. What if the network only learned the changes needed? It's kind of like an artist just touching up a painting, not starting over from a blank canvas every time. So here's the magic trick. The layers learned the change, f of x, then just add it back to the original input. To do this, the authors came up with a brilliant idea, the shortcut connection. Let's check it out. First, the input x flows through the layers and gets transformed, just like it normally would. But at the same time, it also takes this shortcut, completely skipping over all that processing. Then, this shortcut is simply added back in. It mixes the original input with the newly transformed one. And you know what's so cool? This trick adds basically zero extra work. No extra weight, no slowdown. The results? Well, they were immediate and wow, the ResNet totally crushed the plain version. And just like that, the problem was solved. The race to build super deep networks was back on. I mean, they went all out. They built a ResNet with a whopping 152 layers. That's 8 times deeper. And this beast of a network, it hit a crazy low 3.57% error rate on the tough ImageNet test, which of course nabbed them first place at the biggest computer vision competition in the world. But it wasn't just one win. ResNet pretty much swept the floor, winning across all these other categories too. It really makes you wonder, right? What other massive problems out there are just waiting for a simple shortcut?